Well, what do we have here? Another G-Shock watch, of course. This is the GBX-100-7, the new G-Lide Square G-Shock in white black colorway. Think about it, I just unboxed one of this and now this one arrived. Ooh wait, I bought this watch a week ago locally, so this is not a sponsored video like one of these, so that's okay. I won't be promoting anything here. The reason being is that I couldn't wait anymore. I mean, if I were to buy this watch from Japan, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 weeks to arrive, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna buy the watch locally. Besides, the price are roughly the same, even though this is a non-JDM version. Well, you could already see that from the box. This is a non-JDM version box. Okay, open it up, and I'm sure a lot of you guys already seen this watch because I've seen many people already bought this online. Not sure about you guys watching right now, but anyway, this is it. Okay, let's have a look. This, I believe, will be one of the best entry or mid-level square G-Shock watch that anyone could buy today, because it has so many features, meaning you're really gonna get a lot of values out of this watch purchase, depending on how much you pay for it. I bought this watch when this watch was literally released a week ago, so the price right now in Japan, if you were to buy one, it's gonna be around 24,200, and tax-free stores will be around 20,000 Japanese yen. In the US, the price is a bit cheaper, 160 USD. I paid roughly around that same price, so that's why I bought it. Pretty affordable right now. I'm not sure about in the future. From experience, usually the price will be slightly cheaper than it is when it was first released. Okay, this is the tag, not a price tag, just a regular tag listing all the functions that this model have. So we have G-Lite, Bluetooth, shock resistance, smartphone link, step counter, tight graph, moon data, 200-meter water resistance, which fits really well with these G-Lite series watch, a watch built for water sports activity or water related activities. Anyway, for first impression, it is heavy. If I'm not mistaken, I'll add the specs down here. It only weighs around 66 grams, but when you hold it on the hand like this, it feels a lot heavier. I don't know why. I'm guessing because of the unbalanced feels to it. The body feels a lot heavier than the watch band combined. On normal G-Shocks, you can actually feel the balance. The watch band has enough weight to compensate with the watch body. In this case, the watch band feels so light, so soft that the body feels heavy, even though the overall weight is only around 66 grams, if I'm not mistaken. So that's the first, and I'm guessing because of this thick metal plate at the front. I'm sure what this for, aside from guarding the mineral crystal. It shouldn't be this big or this heavy though, but well, it is what it is. It looks very nice, I'll give you that. It has a brush finishing on top, which could scratch fairly easily, but then again, you could polish it back if you know how to do it, so that's great. 5 button operations, in this case black and white. This will be the LED light button, right? Not uniform, but pretty standard like most G-Shock watches. 4 button on the side. Let's see now at home time. Right now it is showing me date, time. First mode is, this will be, where's this, workout, right? Next I have, yeah, a stopwatch, activity, so I haven't used this watch yet, and this is notifications. Okay, pretty simple functions. So far so good. Let's see now this thing. Oh yeah, this will be the tight graph. Ooh, I'm gonna stick with this display. This will shows me a lot more informations. I live by the beach, if you guys didn't know, so tight graph information is really important because I usually walk by the beach every evening. So when the tide is high, I mean, I really can't walk anymore because the oceans, the water will cover everything. So knowing that the tide is low is nice, you know, nice, a little bit of informations. Let's see, what else can we do? Wait, oh, how to return? Alright, I have no idea how to operate this watch yet. Wait, how can I return to the original timekeeping? Oh yeah, this, okay, display. You could change to, okay, this is the step tracking functions, and check this out. 1,722 steps, and I haven't used this watch yet. I'm guessing this is from the delivery guy who is moving this watch here and there during the delivery process. This is on Thursday. I'm gonna need to test the sensitivity of the sensor first, so full review will be coming out soon. But right now, let's see. Now we have a monthly informations. Won't be able to use that now. This is dual time. Great, that's it. Okay, those are functions, and so far works very well, so I don't have to return the watch just in case anything breaks or anything like that, right? And the watch band, I have to say, ooh, the thickness looks the same like most G Squad, but it feels a lot softer than I could remember. It is still the same polyurethane, yeah, same material, but it feels much more softer, much more lighter in weight. It is still, you could still feel the quality of it, really. But oh, this is different. Oh, I have to point out one other thing. This is the black and white version, matte finishing, that is, meaning this watch band will be a color magnet. If you scuff this watch band to your jeans or colored t-shirts, it will pick up the color and you won't be able to remove it anymore. So be very careful of this if you're concerned about that, and if you really want to beat this up, then go on right ahead. But I think I'm gonna change the band to a different one. It looks to me like a 16mm lug structure, so looking for replacement should be easy. I mean, the reason why I buy the black and white version in the first place, because there's no other color variants available in this store that I bought it from. There's the second, because I like the gray lettering on the face. I want monochrome color on my G-Shock watch, so that's why I picked this up, and I'm going to change this to a black band. That will be a better deal for me. Wait, there's a start button up here. Let's see now. Start. It didn't start a stopwatch right away, so I need to press it again. Ooh, looks nice. Alright, stop. Reset. Oh wow. Okay. Right, this delete. Okay, this is tricky. I have no idea how to operate this watch. Okay, more video will be coming out, so I need to try this thing out. But so far, first impression goes, it looks good, it feels high quality, and fit. Let's see now. For the fit, of course, I think gonna fits me very well. Like most G Squad, they all fits really good and very comfortable. I wear it at holes number 3 from the top, and all of the holes seem very closer to another, meaning you could get a more refined fit with this series, though you still have this tongue extended on the side. That's pretty much it over here. Fits great. When you put it on wrist, it feels lighter in weight. I'm not sure how this thing gonna hold, because it didn't have any grip at the bottom, so if I sweats, I don't know how this thing gonna. Pretty wiggly already. Anyway, for display though, this is the new MIP display, right? Check this out. This is the previous generation, this is current generation. I don't have another previous generation, but this is STN, also a good display. This one is MIP, much better. Check this out. The contrast is so much better. But right now, that's it. Full review video will be coming out soon after I wear this. I need to try the snap tracker, I need to try the notifications, a lot of things that I need to try out first, and then I'll make another update video. Right now, this will be my first impression only. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is J Chef, and I'm out.